Alright, so good morning, good evening, good afternoon. So I did this video a while ago fixing my O2 sensors, because that's why my check engine light was on for the longest time. Car's off right now. I just never put it out, and I'll explain why later. But I replaced an oxygen sensor, it's a bank one sensor one. So I replaced one, and then my rear two went out. So then I was told that, searching the forums and whatnot on Club Lexus, like, get these elbows, and then because I'm catless, it would fake it. It'll send false information to the computer, and like it'll erase the code. So that's what this video is. It is impossible to film up in here, but this is what I'm dealing with. I gotta get my O2 sensor out, put my OEM O2 sensor back in, or in to begin with. Hopefully check engine light goes off. So the theory behind installing these elbows is that this side gets put into the exhaust. This is where the O2 goes, and now it's reading clean air from here, sending the information from the rears to the front that it is operating as designed, bypassing the fact that I don't have any cats. Don't know how anything got dirty, but alright. So I found that you don't necessarily have to pop this clip off, but pull this carpet back over here and you'll find the O2 sensor socket. So just pop that off. I mean, not the socket, but the connector. Pop this off, and then you should be able to spin it freely without worrying about pulling one of the pins out of the connector. Alright, ask and you shall receive. Literally, ask somebody for a gasket and there's a bunch of extra gaskets lying around. So here we go.